Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a Druid in Baldur's Gate 3. First, understand that Druids are powerful nature-based spellcasters who can also transform into various animals. They are incredibly versatile, capable of healing allies, controlling the battlefield with crowd control spells, and dealing significant damage. You'll find them to be excellent support characters, but also formidable combatants when shapeshifted. They can wear medium armor and use shields, offering good survivability. When creating your Druid, prioritize Wisdom as your main ability score. It governs your spellcasting power. Constitution and Dexterity are also crucial for hit points and armor class, respectively. At level 2, you'll choose a subclass. The Circle of the Moon is excellent for those who want to focus on powerful wild shape transformations, gaining access to stronger animal forms earlier, and extra attacks. Other circles offer different playstyles. Wild shape is a core Druid mechanic, allowing you to transform into animals like a bear or wolf. Each form provides unique abilities and a separate pool of temporary hit points, making you very durable. You can wild shape twice per short rest. Beyond shapeshifting, Druids possess a diverse spell list, including powerful healing spells like Healing Word and crowd control spells such as Entangle. Remember to manage your concentration for sustained effects. To optimize your Druid, always equip the best medium armor and a shield you can find for maximum defense. Seek out magical items that increase your Wisdom score or improve your spell save difficulty class, making your spells harder to resist. In a party, Druids synergize well with characters who can protect their concentration, allowing crucial spells to persist. Consider companions who benefit from your healing or crowd control, creating a well-rounded and powerful adventuring group.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.